Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is indexing. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the first topic in indexing and slicing. Indexing and slicing is applicable to a sequence type such as string, list, and tuple. A string is a sequence of character. List and tuple are sequence of elements with different data types. Indexing and slicing is not applicable to dictionary and set. Let's understand indexing with an example. Consider a string type variable mystr having value as Python. Index is an integer which is allocated to each element in a sequence type. Index of first element is 0, index of second element is 1, third element is 2, and so on. Index ranges from 0 to the length -1. For example, if the length of the sequence type is 6, then the index will range from 0 to 5. We can also have negative indexes. Negative indexes can be read in reverse order. So the index of last element is equal to -1, second last element is -2, third last element is -3, and so on. We can access individual element using indexing. This is a syntax to access a particular element from a sequence type. We need to write a variable followed by an index enclosed in a square bracket. To access first element from the sequence, enter the variable name mystr followed by 0 enclosed in square bracket, and the output will be p. To access second element, enter mystr of 1. The output will be y. To access last element, enter mystr of 5, and the output will be n. Now let's use negative indexing. To access first element from last, enter mystr of -1, and the output will be n. To access second element from last, enter mystr of -2, and the output will be o. To access first element, enter mystr of -6, and the output will be p. Let's create a string type variable named mystr is equal to Python. To access first element, type mystr of 0. We can also access elements using list and tuple. Let's create a list type by converting the string Python to list. Now that we have created a list, let's access the first element from list. Similarly, let's create a tuple type variable from the string Python. Let's access the first element from tuple. Index must be an integer and we cannot use decimal number for indexing. This line will throw a type error. Let's access second element from mystr. Let's access second element from mylist and mytuple. Let's access last element from mystr. Now let's access last element from mylist and mytuple. Now let's access elements using negative indexing. To access the last element from the sequence type, use -1 as index. Similarly, we can access last element from list and tuple. Let's access second element from last using -2 as index. Let's access first element using negative indexing in myStr. Similarly, using myList and myTuple. This line throws index error because the length of the variable is 6 and we must use an index range from 0 to 5 or -1 to -6. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.